What's good, Moguls fam? And I'm back with another banging banger. Sibuyile guys, back again with another video. So, ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale nje isession yanamhlanje, ngithathanda ukubonga kubo bonke abantu abasubscribe-ile, abantu abakhomentayo naba-like-ayo. Guys, I appreciate Moguls fam. We appreciate kakhulu kuko konke lokho enikwenzayo and interacting with our channel. So namhlanje eh another video, another request. So ngithole namhlanje umfowashabalala uMavimbela uThabethe uLuyanda uthe ayingeke bethu ngidinga ukuthi ungichazele ngama-fundamentals. And then ekukuchazeleni indaba yama-fundamentals ufuna ukubona ngalesikhathi ngiyi-trader. So it's a bit tricky ke, but ngizamile to pull this thing off because ama-fundamental akuyona into ongangena namhlanje uyenze namhlanje. Kuney'nsuku ezi-allocate-iwe because ama-event lawo, it's not like wenza i-day trade akufani yabo. So luckily ividiyo yakho i-request-e kahle kanti kuzoba ne-event. So le event le, it was a real account but bekukwenzela ukuthi akwazi ukubona ukuthi lento i-possible. So it was a small account ebekade nginayo vele, so kuvele kwabalula kanjalo. So mhlambe ngaphambi kokuthi ngize ngingene nje e-charting namhlanje, ake siqale kwi-theory yabo. Siqale kwi-theory ngizama ukuyichaza lento ye-fundamental ukuthi yini i-consister ini, yini izinto ezingaphakathi kuyona. Then-ke emva kwaloko at the end of the video sorry about that, ngicathi i-network ave ihlupha. After that then ngizozama ukuthi ngimtshengise i-video ye-real account ekade ngiyi-trade. So yeah, let's go to i-theory yayo-ke lento i-fundamental. So according to nje i-knowledge kaGoogle ibeka kanje i-terminology, mhlawumbe incazelo angeke ngisho kanjalo, yama-fundamental. Ama-fundamental kahle kahle kusuke ama-events. Ngizozama ukuthi ngisho ngesiZulu as much as ibhalwe ngesiNgisi. Ama-event asuke enzeka kwi-market kodwa asuke enzeka outside of i-market, meaning ukuthi it's actually influences asuke eqhamuka outside of the markets enza ukuthi i-market i-react. Mhlampe ngiwabeke nje ahlukahlukene-ke, kunama non-payroll. Okokuqala i-non-payroll, non-farm payroll, kahle kahle kusuke kukhulunywe ngokuthi ama-salaries, like in terms of not specifically ama-salaries but in terms of ukuqashwa kwabantu. Mhlampe ngingabeka ukuthi ama-statistics asuke ekhishiwe ileyo country ekutheni mhlampe kuqashwa abantu abangakanani enyangeni, yayizwa leyo nto. So lawo ma-statistics lawo ngalesikhathi ephuma a-affect-a indlela i-market emuva ngayo. For instance, uma ukuthi bancane abantu abaqashiwe, obviously izoba negative, but uma ukuthi baningi abantu abaqashiwe then izoba positive, izoba green. So and then mase kuba i-gross domestic products, le nto bayibiza i-G_D_P. Mhlambe nike nizwe la e-South Africa leyo nto bake bayisho ukuthi i-G_D_P yethu incane, i-G_D_P yethu inkulu. Ayibo leyo nto, into eziphathelene nezinto ezenzakalayo within i-country, kwi-economy as a whole nje iyonke jikelele, umnotho waleyo country leyo. Then inflation sike sizwe-ke ngayo kaningi guys ukuthi inflation inyukile, which means makunyuka i-inflation uyazi-ke irandi-ke lapho uyazi ukuthi lisuke li-low, lingekho nje right, like with regards to ukuthenga, uyabo. Njengoba isinkwa ngo-2000 sasisithenga mhlampe o-R12 o-R13 because of i-increase of i-inflation sasisithenga manje ngoba ko-R18 yabo. R18 manje sekuyabo futhi kwezinye iy'ndawo o-R21 manje asisakwazi ukuthenga izinkwa nje ngenani eli-right yabo nje eli-affordable and you can see ukuthi into eyenzakalayo ukuthi kunyuka i-inflation but amaholo awanyuki. Awanyuki amaholo, awanyuki nhlobo amaholo. Angazi yenziwa yini leyo nto but amaholo awanyuki. Kunyuka nje kuphela ama-expenses kuphela. So leyo nto end up-a isi-create-a i-country ukuthi ibe nani? Ibe nale chaos enayo manje njengoba sine-high rate of unemployment yabo. High rates kunzima phela inkampani eqasha abantu wazi kahle ukuthi vele nezinto ziyabiza yabo with regards to the operation of the business. Mase kuba i-FOMC. FOMC na-ke yona usually it's an interest rate especially most of the time i-FOMC yase-United States of America. So interest rate yakhona le. Mase kuba ama-retail sales, uyazi ama-retail sales izinto nje ezihlangene namabhizinisi yabo. Njengoba ithi retail uyazi ukukhulunywa nge-retail kusuke kukhulunywa ngani because i-wholesale it's another aspect of i-event as much as lana-ke engabanga ama-event but i-retail nje amabhizinisi. Then-ke o-P_M_I, earnings report yabo izinto ey'fana ney'mali lezi ezisuke zenziwa iy'nkampani ziyayi-affect-a nayo leyo i-market. Ama-interest rate decisions, ama-interest rates for amabhenki-ke lawo amabhenki and futhi-ke one thing I know about ama-interest rates they are very good when you are trading them, very good. Yabo nje ama-interest rate decisions nama-unemployment rates when it comes to fundamentals are right ngale ndlela ongaze uyibone. I-unemployment rate-ke ile cishe ile ekhuluma nge-terms zokuqashwa kwabantu ne-stats sokudilizwa kwabantu icishe ilinganise ne-non-farm payroll, cishe kuhambelane izinto eziwu-2 lezo. Ngike nizwe mhlawumbe mekuthiwa hhayi khona i-N_F_P basuke bechaza leyo nto-ke. N_F_P bayazi abantu abayaziyo-ke i-market for the longest yabo. Then-ke mase ku-geopolitical events, hhayi-ke labo utholukuthi mhlampe kuyaliwa yabo lo-Russia uyayibona kunama-elections yabo. These are one of the things ezinye zazo ezi-influence-a i-market yabo. But i-overall nje iwona lawo. Mhlambe ngizothikha la engifisa mhlampe uma ukuthi u-interested eku-trade-eni ama-event, ama-fundamentals, ngizozama ukuwathikha-ke lawo engikwaziyo and this is like straight knowledge e-straightforward engadingi ukuthi uze ulibele mhlampe uyilo. And I so wish ukuthi guys le knowledge le engiyisherayo nihambe niyi-practice nibone ukuthi lento engiyikhulumayo iyiqiniso yini noma ayamanga. Uhambe uyobheka kumakhalenda ukuthi lezi izinto engiyishoyo or engiyikhulumayo aziyona yini lento engithi yizona, so that uzokwazi ukubhek-tester kahle u-check ukuthi le information is it valuable or it's just for the sake ukuthi hhayi kumele ngenze i-video. No, because ngiyazi ukuthi where we are right now eSouth Africa, things are not good. So njengoba ngiyenza le video, I want you guys to get as much knowledge as possible with regards to knowing i-law. As a beginner, obviously, i-market yabo because kudlalwe kakhulu ngabantu yabo. And another thing ebengifisa ukuyi-announce la ukuthi guys, as team moguls, we do not have groups We don't have no groups. Imangathi ibhale kahle lento khona abantu bazoyi no groups. Akho groups la. We don't have any groups. We don't participate in any groups. Okokuqala lo. Secondly, no signals. We don't do signals here. Indaba yama-signals nani nama what is this thing? What is it? Selling courses. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. I-information ozoyithola, you're going to get it on our YouTube channel. Ayikho nje enye ilona ozoyizwa nge-Forex Moguls outside of YouTube. Yes, we do have a Facebook account, and it has the same logo as our YouTube channel. So we only have 2 accounts. So umuntu oqhamukayo in the name of moguls or Forex Moguls, guys, lo muntu is scam. There will never be any time whereby you will hear about ukuthi kune group Forex Moguls or noma kunama signals or i-course edayisiwe, unless it is announced here ku-YouTube, not even on Facebook, ku-YouTube mayelana nalokho. But nje for now, there's no groups, there's no signals, there's no course adayisayo, nothing like that. So umuntu ngifuna abe clear ngalokho. Kuphela into exceptionally i-1-on-1. Futhi nakhona kuzoba ukuthi it's a situation whereby uyabona ukuthi no, lo muntu lo oyifunayo uyayifuna ngempela and u-serious ngayo. Not umuntu nje ozolibele busy ekhulume esho ukuthi manje ukuthi no, umuntu o-serious ngayo, then uzo-contacta straight from our YouTube channel or noma ucommente, we give you an email because there's no number. Give you an email, then we liaise, we talk and see ukuthi ke into yenzeka kanjani with dates and time and whatsoever with regards to that. But other than that, there is nothing, because sekukaningi abantu bedliwele imali, abantu kuthiwa babafundisa into engatheni what. Mina into engiyenzayo la, into esiyenzayo, into esebenzayo, into umuntu aphila ngayo. Uyayizwa lona, uphila ngayo, not ukuthi kukhona i-desperation ukuthi manje-ke fanele kudayiswe ntontoni. No, it's not like that. So abantu nje, they must be aware. I-knowledge esidropha la is enough for you to learn and understand ukuthi i-market yini and what should you do. La is to add knowledge. If unganayo, then it's more of a learning, starting afresh ngolimi lesiZulu noma nge-native language. So I don't want to take much time lapho ke, bengenzela uku-emphasize ukuze kube lula ukuthi wonke umuntu abe in one accord. Then into engingayenza manje, we should actually sengikhave almost everything. Then-ke ngizozama ukuthikha lama-event which I know they're going to be available to you, because ngithe ngizowathikha. Naku-ke sengikhuluma ngale ndaba le ebalulekile, I could not leave it out. So number 1 engifisa uyithikhe, a non farm payroll. It's very good in the markets. I-GDP, I don't think you should dwell on it kakhulu. Ngicela nje ungayinaki, as much as ine-impact but incane kakhulu. I-inflation nayo ngicela uyizibe. Then mase ukuthi kuba i-FOMC, it's very good, very good. Mase kuthi kuba i-retail sale, ngicela nayo uyizibe, yabo, uyizibe. ne-PMI ngicela nayo uyizibe, ne-earnings reports uyizibe. And then masemva kalokho uzothi interest rate decision, please make sure that awuyizibi le uyayiconsider, plus ne-unemployment rates. So these are the events that I've highlighted, and ngicela please wenze sure ukuthi uyawanotha phansi. Mawubona nje lama events lawo kwi-economic calendar yakho, make sure ukuthi you write them down. So ngisazokwenza enye ividiyo-ke ekhuluma about ekhuluma about ukuthi ikhalenda wazi kanjani ukuthi le izomuva kakhulu, le izomuva kancane. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Wenze sure ukuthi uyakhomenta if unga-understand about i-video or request i-video, and then you make sure you comment, you like, you subscribe. So guys, on the road to 5K, make sure you support a team. Make sure you support the team, guys, and on the road to 5K. So danko, siyabonga. NZD, let's see ukuthi ngiphatheleni namhlanje. Come on. Yo. Yes sir. Yenzani manje le network? Danko. Udla kwangemihla. Sibonge. Danko. Le network. Danko. Yenzani manje? Azoke.